Friends, I Robinson. Welcome to our YouTube channel Star Science Robinson. Let's get into topic. Hiatal hernia. What is hiatal hernia? A condition in which part of stomach pushes up through the diaphragm muscle. Part of a stomach pushes into the chest cavity in enters via a opening where the food tube, that is esophagus, passes on its way to the stomach. So now we are going with a normal diagram of our esophagus and stomach. In between thoracic and abdomen we have a partition, that is diaphragm. So the esophagus enters through diaphragm and it attached to the stomach and abdomen, so that is normal. But here in hiatal hernia we are seeing where the esophagus will enter into the diaphragm. There the stomach, the upper portion of the stomach will bulge into the thoracic region through a diaphragm. We can see in our diagram the upper portion of the stomach will protrudes into the thoracic region. Right now I'm showing you in our diagram where the esophagus not entered into the abdominal region, but the stomach will enter into the thoracic region through diaphragm. So that is called sliding hiatal hernia. So next we'll see about the in hiatal hernia type. We can see there will be opening in diaphragm. Here the esophagus enter from chest region into the abdomen, but the other side of the stomach where the folds itself into the thoracic region. So in our diagram I'll show you how the stomach will enter into the thoracic region as a fold. So we have a esophagus here. At the same time there will be a protrusion of a upper portion of the stomach as a fold into the thoracic region. We can see in our diagram where there will be blade in this portion. So right now I'm showing you this is not common. So this is the thing which we have to remember about folding up itself and rolling through the thoracic region. So that the thing which we can see in this type, so that is called as a paraesophageal hernia. So we have to remember in this phase the lower part of the esophagus and the stomach will enter into the chest region. So that is the thing we have to remember about the hiatal hernia. Thank you friends for watching this video. It's Star Science Robinson. Thanks once again for watching this video. Thank you.